Today we're going to explore how to build an automated trading strategy using break signals from PANA Kanal in NinjaTrader 8's Strategy Builder. Get ready and let's get started. Step 1. First, head over to the ninza.co store and select the PANA Kanal product page. Let's explore the Ninja script signals it offers. PANA Kanal identifies signal trade values. 2 means breakup, -2 means breakdown. Open your indicator dialog and add PANA Kanal to your chart. Now, to really amp up those signals, go ahead and tweak the parameters a bit. Next, scroll down to the alert section and uncheck the conditions, trend start and trend pullback, to show only break signals on the chart. And don't forget to disable the auto scale box. Lastly, make sure to check out the bottom of the settings to change the signal trade plot color. Alright everyone, we're moving on to step 3, visualize signal data. Get ready for the next action. Right-click on the chart and select Show Data Box to compare those signal values. Check it out. Those blue markers are your breakup signals, that's a value of 2, and the orange markers. They're your cue to pay attention to potential breakdowns. That's a value of -2. This exciting visualization is going to help you set up the right conditions in the strategy builder. Let's move on. Step 4. Let's craft your ultimate strategy. Open the Control Center window, click New, and choose Strategy Builder. Give your strategy a catchy name like PANA Kanal Strategy. Move to the Conditions and Actions section to establish 2 sets of conditions, one for buy and one for sell. For your buy set, click Add, and then select Indicator. Now look for NINZA PANA Kanal in the list. Make sure the settings in here match what you have on your chart. Next, from the Value Plots menu, choose Signal Trade. Finally, choose MISC and set the numeric value as needed. In the Do the Following section, click Add, then choose Order Management. For the buy set, select Long Order Types. For the sell set, choose Short Order Types. If you want to see your conditions visually on the chart, you can add vertical lines. Click Add, then select Drawing. Scroll down to choose Vertical Line. Next up in the tag box, open the String Builder, then just click Set. Head over to MISC and select Current Bar. This will draw the line at the bar where your conditions are met. For sell conditions, duplicate set 1 and set sell logic and order types for sell conditions. Remember to use different colors for the buy and sell vertical lines so everything stays clear on the chart. Step 5. Go to the Stops and Targets section and input your profit target and stop loss based on your own trading strategy. The values we show here are just for reference. Be sure to analyze the market yourself and select the right ratios for your risk management. Step 6. Enable your strategy. Back on the chart, click the Strategies icon at the top or right-click and select Strategies. Add your PANA Kanal strategy to the chart and check the Enable box. Before you use your automated strategy on a live account, it's crucial to test it on a demo account first. Now let's explore how your automated strategy performs with the PANA Kanal indicator. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. We wish you a trading adventure filled with success. May your strategies be sharp, your decisions precise, and your trades consistently profitable. Let's conquer the market together.